Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your OS supports dynamic wallpaper, check version and system preferences. Once done, download the Jane Doe Dynamic Pack. Choose the zip or installer package. Make sure to back up your current wallpaper settings and any original images so you can revert if needed. You will need admin access to install files, so have your password ready. This step moves you quickly from preparation into installation and explains why each file and permission matters before you proceed. You now unzip the package and inspect its folder structure. Verify there are hike images or a theme file and a manifest or config. Next, run the installer if included or manually copy hike or theme files into the system wallpaper directory. Once copied, open display or personalization settings to assign the Jane Doe profile. Make sure to set timeline, transition speed, and triggers like time of day or ambient sensor, so the dynamic sequence behaves as intended. You finish by testing the dynamic wallpaper through wake, sleep, and lock cycles to confirm smooth transitions. If everything looks correct, fine-tune brightness, color profile, and transition timings in settings for consistent appearance. Once satisfied, make sure the pack runs at startup by checking startup items or scheduled tasks. If things go wrong, like static image or errors, check file permissions, reinstall the assets, and reboot. This resolves most issues and explains why permission and install order matter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.